Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Srikant Tripathi and I'm your educator for your SSP preparation and current affairs along with various subjects of GS. Now viewers, I have started a very special crash course program for history. The program is known as Learn History Through Dates. I have just started with the modern history segment. Also, what I'll be doing is we will be taking on a daily basis current affairs multiple choice questions quizzes. Now the number of total questions that will be discussed per day will be 25. Now the special thing about these quizzes is going to be that we are not just going to discuss the correct answer, but we will be discussing about each and every option. Whatever important information is associated with that particular option, we will be sharing that entire information with you. So viewers, I personally hope that you guys should come to my channel. You must see my sessions and the difference will be quite observable to you guys in a couple of days. Both these programs are definitely going to be of a very great importance. So viewers, please do join me in my sessions. Okay, thank you very much.